Hi everyone, welcome at my kitchen. Today I will show you how I make a fitness lunch. It is super easy and delicious. Here is my shopping list. What you need for a chicken avocado salad. 250 g of chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, salt, pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of mustard and honey, 8 pieces of cherry tomatoes, 1 avocado, 200 g mozzarella, 300 g lettuce, half red pepper and cucumber, and 63 g of rucola. As a first step, cut the chicken breast into cubes. I cut it into small pieces cause it will be ready faster, and also I don't want that the meat to be the dominant flavor in the salad. Now heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the chicken breast and fry it until it's brown at all sides, approximately for 8-10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Then mix it and fry it for another 2 minutes to deepen the flavor. Now we add mustard and honey. Mix it well and fry it for another 2 minutes. Be careful, it can burn easily because of the honey. We add 1 deciliter water to avoid burning. Cover the pan with a lid, then lower the heat and let it steam until the vegetable preparation finishes. Before we continue, please don't forget to like. If you like my recipe, please share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Take the romaine lettuce and chop it up not too thin slices, then add it to the serving bowl. Now we add the washed and drained rucola. We quarter up the cherry tomatoes, then add it to the bowl. Cut the cucumber into cubes and add it to the rest. Cut the red pepper into bites and add it to the salad. Now we cut the mozzarella into cubes. You can make it easier for yourself if you buy mini mozzarella. Then you can skip this step. After 15-20 minutes, check the meat. When it is soft enough, we add it to the salad. Mix it until it's combined properly. We are almost finished. Add some extra salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, honey and mustard. Make sure you mix it properly. Take this step right before serving. Other way, it won't be crunchy enough. Hey guys, I have one tip for you. The extra honey shouldn't be more than 1 tablespoon. Other way, the salad will be too sweet and you wouldn't be able to enjoy it. The last step is avocado. I like to add it separately to the salad because in the mixing process it becomes easily smashed. Then you won't be able to recognize that it's a chicken avocado salad. Before you serve, please don't forget to check out in the description for kitchen equipment links. I put the avocado to the top as a crown of my salad. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video. I would be happy to read your feedback in the comment section below. I appreciate that you are watching and see you next week.